What's going on? So today we got a video from Deputy Daniels, and the title of the video is "Teen Gets Arrested at Her First Job." Man, I remember my first job. I lasted 2 months, not even the full 2 months, man. It was at Arby's, and it was the worst job I ever had. I had to get up out of there. I was 16 years old, man. But anyway, let's get to the video.
Since August 19th until November 5th, she has been activating gift cards without paying for them and then keeping the gift cards for herself. And that's a total of 1,724.95 of losses that she has been causing.
Okay.
Now she also said that she had taken about $300 in cash, but I don't have any evidence of that, so that's just something that she verbally also said.
Okay. What's the handwritten side?
That's just her admission.
How you doing? What's your name? I'm Deputy Kramer. I'm here obviously in relation to the incident that's been going on with you and your employer. At this point in time, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you.
I'm getting arrested.
Hang on. Just listen to me, okay? Just listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. With these rights in mind, do you wish to answer questions?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So what's been going on?
I've been taking money to buy cigarette stuff for me and my little sister for a little while.
Okay. You said you're taking it to buy food for your little sister and you?
I never have nobody. I've never been in jail.
Okay. Calm down.
I've never been in any type of trouble in my life. I'm so scared.
What's the home life situation like? Is it
It's like
just you and your sister, or
It's my mom. She works a lot, so she's not really there. So it's basically me and my sister, but she's with my older sister right now because my mom's at work and I'm at work. So I'm getting arrested.
Okay. So you will be going to jail today.
Who's gonna pardon me out?
You'll have to make a phone call from the jail, okay?
Why am I getting arrested?
So your employer wanted to pursue charges, okay?
I wanted to pursue
So-
charges.
Do you know the total dollar amount of money you took?
He told me to not say
How much do you think you took?
like 1,000 maybe in total.
Okay. And how were you doing this?
The first I just took cash and then I was just getting the gift card.
So you'd scan the gift card and do what?
Just put an amount in that I needed.
Okay.
I don't know what mom is nobody. I've never been in trouble and nothing. And I've been freaking out because I don't think they're gonna get me out.
When did this start happening?
Maybe like a month or
Well, at least one thing I can say is that these are real tears. Okay, a lot of times we just see the fake tears. A lot of times we just see the I don't know what to do, man. Why am I getting locked up? I don't understand. Typically we see that. Okay, so at least I did see a tear drop. You know what I'm saying? Like, she does look scared. She looks nervous. You know what I mean? But right is right and wrong is wrong. And when she's asking, why am I getting arrested? You know exactly why you're getting arrested. You can't steal from your employer. They already giving you a paycheck. You trying to double dip.
2 months ago, maybe. But it wasn't like an everyday thing.
How many times a day would you do this?
Probably like three times with the cards. But I stopped taking cash. I just started doing the cards.
How much in cash do you think you took?
Probably like 300 in total. Can I call her? Can I text her?
You can make a phone call.
You think I'll get out today?
So you probably won't get out today. You probably have to spend the night. And you'll get out first thing in the morning. You have to see a judge in the morning, okay?
No. I said I was going to pay him back. I can't do.
So
Is
unfortunately,
there anything I can do so you won't press charges?
Unfortunately, this is what the company wants to do.
Can I have your driver's license?
Mom's here. Can you
Okay.
be there?
Yep, we're gonna walk out. We're gonna talk to her out there, okay? So just grab your stuff. Alright, this way. Do you want to have your mom take your stuff? Okay.
I don't know where she is.
So, I'm going to take you up to the jail. Alright. You'll hang out in there while I write my paperwork, and then you'll be turned over to them. They're going to basically put you into the system, and then you'll see a judge in the morning.
What time in the morning?
Around 8 o'clock. And then I'll go. If you want to sign here, this just means that you're also trespassed from this location, okay? They don't want you coming back. If you do, you will be arrested, okay? Do you want me to search her real quick?
Please.
You want to stand up against the vehicle real quick? Do you have anything on me that's going to poke me, prick me, anything that I should be concerned of now? No?
No.
Okay. Put your hands up here.
What's your mom look like?
She's black. She looks old.
You're going to have to take this off later. Are you okay to just take it off now?
What?
We can give it to your mom.
Yo, son, what the fuck is that? Yo. What does your mom look like? She's black and she's old. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Yo, son, that's so crazy. That's a crazy, oh my gosh. Oh man, this is how kids is describing their parents. Oh.
Be concerned of now? No?
No.
Okay. Put your hands up here.
What's your mom look like?
She's black. She looks old.
You're gonna have to take this off later. Are you okay to just take it off now?
Yeah.
We can give it to your mom too. Here, Kramer. Spread your feet real quick.
I think this is her right here.
Okay. Phone's gotta go with him.
Do you want your phone to go with you?
Or do you want your
Okay. So, I'm going to give all of her stuff to you. Okay. I'll explain to you kind of what's going on. I don't know how much she explained to you. But I guess she was caught stealing from the business. I guess she was charging gift cards and pocketing the gift cards. And she's been doing it for a few months now. And I guess she also admitted to taking cash as well. But due to the dollar amount, it does constitute a felony. So we don't have discretion on it. She's got to go. They're persistent on pursuing charges. So if you'd like, you can talk to her.
Why is she on the phone?
You gotta get me out of here. Oh, you look at me out of here. Mom, you gotta get me out of here. Please. You gotta call everybody. You gotta call them. Here, I'm gonna take my password off so you can get into my phone. Call everybody. Get me out of here. Call Auntie Anna, call Mark, call everybody that's in my phone.
Elizabeth, do you want this to go with mom?
Here.
This is just
This
a
is your
copy
copy.
of the trespass, okay?
Take all that.
This is the evidence. There.
So give it a little bit. She'll be able to give you a phone call.
Man, they look just alike. She just light skinned.
Once you get there, you'll be able to talk to the booking deputies, okay? They'll be able to give you a little more information of the process, okay? All right, step back.
Can you tell her to call AJ if you see her?
1204, adult, female, 10,
Tell her to
15.
call AJ.
AJ?
No, tell me when to call AJ.
Okay. Yep. Thank you. So you'll see a judge, okay? And they're basically gonna read over the case and determine whether or not there's probable cause for the arrest, and then from there it's just gonna be a bond amount. Okay, so tomorrow you'll be able to find out what they're gonna set as a bond amount.
She was charged with organized fraud under $20,000, one handwritten confession, and now she's facing a felony that won't go away quietly. Want to see more body cam like this? Hit subscribe.
Nah, man, oh man. At least she was giving real tears, man. That's all I can say about that, man. You know, times is tough, but hey, they got a business to run, and you taking money from the business. We already paying you, and you trying to double dip. So that's what it is, you know. Fraud, man. That's a tough. So you know, that means you're untrustworthy, you know. And for her to be so young and stuff like that, and have that type of thing on your record, it's like, man, it's gonna be tough to get a job. I ain't gonna lie, but who knows? Maybe McDonald's will take a chance on you. But anyway. I think the officers did a great job. I give them a 4. A lot of times I typically don't like when they like lollygag and cater to them so much, but I think they handled everything appropriately dealing with her. You know, she's scared. She's, you know, they were more than courteous and kind to her, okay? They even walked her out without being in handcuffs, and you typically don't see that. So, you know, I give them a 4 out of 5, the way that they dealt with her. That's still crazy, though. What does your mom look like? She's black and she's old. Oh, man, that was so foul. I ain't gonna lie. But let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.